The digital marketplace is a wide, treacherous ocean. A product without a high-definition image is a ship without a rudder, destined to sink in the depths of page 10. To be king, you must first be seen.
Data is the wind in your sails. We use Replicate to reconstruct the lost details of your product, turning a low-res snapshot into a high-fidelity asset that commands respect.
Light is the gold of the digital age. By using Freepik's AI lighting generation, we can bathe your product in a cinematic glow that traditionally costs thousands of berries to stage. Touch is the final frontier of sight. We use AI detail enhancement to make the customer feel the cold metal and the tactile response of the keys. 1 victory is a snapshot. 6 victories is a brand. To conquer the marketplace, we follow the navigator's map through 6 modules of mastery.
A laptop on a table is a product.
A laptop on the bridge of a futuristic ship is a dream. We use AI to place your brand in the environments where your customers aspire to be. The screen is the window to the soul of the product. By enhancing the display glow using AI light wrapping, we make the technology feel alive and pulsing with data. People don't buy hardware. They buy the person they become with that hardware. We use AI to generate the perfect user, a reflection of the customer's ultimate potential.
Consistency is the hallmark of the king. 1 product, infinite stories. We use AI to replicate the high-end look across every possible user scenario. Balance is the secret of the elite. We use AI smart cropping and rule of thirds alignment to ensure every image feels naturally perfect to the human eye. Information is the final anchor of trust. We use AI to generate sleek, modern infographics that explain the Thousand Sunny's power in a single glance.
A king is nothing without his followers. We use AI to curate and design social proof, the testimonials and ratings that prove your brand is the chosen one. The navigator never guesses the path. She reads the currents. We use AI to test multiple illusions and let the market tell us which one leads to the treasure. The voyage is complete. The east blue of mediocrity is behind you. Your brand is no longer a product. It is the sovereign of its category. Welcome to the Grand Line. The navigator has shown you the way. The AI tools are in your hands. Replicate, Freepik, and your own boundless ambition. From Snapshot to Supermodel, the ocean is yours. Arise.